This episode promotes the safe and proper use of portable resin-bonded cutting wheels. Before viewing this video, watch episode 1, where we introduce the spot concept and discuss a safe work environment, personal protective equipment, and the proper care and inspection of abrasives and wire brushes. Bonded cutting wheels are an essential part of metal fabrication. When misused, they can be dangerous to the operator, co-workers, and equipment. Therefore, it is critical to select the correct wheel and use it properly for the job at hand. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations and local safety requirements when using these products. When using cutting wheels, always keep spot in mind for safe and proper product operation, speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Speed and size. Be sure that the max RPM of the product is rated equal to or higher than the RPM rating of the power tool. Wheels designed for chop saws should never be run on a gas saw because the RPM requirements are higher and the wheels require more reinforcement. Remember, always check RPM ratings. Be sure both the diameter and configuration of the product are suitable for the power tool in use. Never use an abrasive wheel that is too large for the tool in use. When mounting a wheel to a grinder, place the metal arbor reinforcement face down on the spindle toward the power tool. The metal surface helps ensure proper mounting and rotation without vibration. Proper guarding is especially important. Flat cutting wheels require a special cutting guard that provides extra protection for the operator. If unable to cut due to guard interference, choose a different power tool or abrasive that will work with a guard. Pay particular attention when using smaller diameter cutting wheels. Just because the wheel will fit a die grinder does not mean it is safe to use without a guard. Remember, always use a cutting guard with flat cutting wheels. Pressure. Always enter the workpiece from the path of least resistance. Do not bounce the wheel into the material as you begin to cut. Let the weight of the power tool do the work. Engage the workpiece using a forward and back rolling motion. This helps to dissipate heat, which maximizes performance and prevents heat discoloration of the workpiece. Do not try to force the wheel, as this will prematurely wear it out and may cause the grinder to slip and bind. Orientation. Keep the wheel straight at a 90-degree angle to the workpiece when using a cutting wheel. Never try to curve a cut by twisting the wheel. Never grind with a cutting wheel, as they are not designed for side load and may cause it to bind or break. Position the guard between yourself and the workpiece, making sure the cut is clearly visible. A good line of sight can help prevent slipping out of the cut or plunging too deep. Time. When resuming a cut, be sure the wheel is spinning at full speed before entering it. Starting the wheel in an existing cut will lead to unwanted kickback and potential injury. Take special care when using depressed center wheels. Avoid plunging too deep into the workpiece and contacting the reinforced center hub. If this occurs, it could damage the fiberglass and cause the wheel to fail. As a wheel wears down, it may become more difficult to control and should be replaced. Remember the key factors under your control that limit the potential for injury when using cutting wheels: speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Think spot.